Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. Would you like to receive free crafting supplies and share your creations on your YouTube channel? If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and I'll tell you all about a company called Beebeecraft and their YouTube program. First off, your question might be, what are your qualifications? Super simple. All you need is a YouTube channel with at least 100 subscribers, and you must agree to make 3 videos. And the 3 videos are the unboxing video, which that's what I'm doing today. I got my supplies in the mail and I'm going to show you what I got. And the other 2 videos that I agreed to make are the tutorial DIYs that I'm going to make with the supplies that they sent me. That's it. It's super simple and easy. Now, I will leave the link down below, and all you do is you will click on the link to apply for the Beebeecraft YouTube program, and it's a short application. You just give them your basic information. They will verify your YouTube channel and they will see that you have more than 100 subscribers, and then they will email you. And in that email, they're going to tell you to go to their Beebeecraft's website. You create an account, you log in, and then from there, you give them all your information, your name, your address, and so on. They will tell you to pick 3 to 5 items up to $40 in value and put it in your shopping cart. Now, very important, you don't check out at that point. You just put everything that you're interested in doing your projects, put them in your shopping cart, and then email them back and say, okay, I got my supplies in my shopping cart. Then they will go on the website and they will check it out for you, and they will send you an email saying your supplies are on your way. Now, it took, I'm thinking 2 to 3 weeks for me to get my supplies. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to go ahead and unbox and show you the products that I ordered and give you kind of my thoughts on what I think I'm going to create. Okay, so the first item, I actually ordered 3 items. The first 2 items are just 2 of the same. They are Christmas felt paper. Now, my idea for the Christmas felt paper was, at first I was going to do advent calendars. But since today is December 1st, it's kind of too late for that one. So I scrapped that idea. I come up with another idea where I was in Michael's recently and I saw these garlands that they were charging up from $10 to $20. And I'm like, I could make that myself with these. So I think that's the project that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to make some Christmas tree garland with this. And then the other project that I got is this faux leather sheets. And I am planning on making some earrings with these. Now, these sheets are gorgeous. They have 6 designs. They have a glitter design. They have a Christmas design with a whole bunch. Like, I'm going to make these little dangly earrings. I mean, do you know how many earrings I can make out of all these supplies? Look at the red glitter. They have all different glitters. They have a shiny mirror one. They have a rainbow one. They have solid leather colors, all different shades. And here's some more glitter. Here's some more mirror glaze is what they're called. And they have these fishtail ones. So I am going to make some garland and some cute earrings. So stay tuned for those 2 videos. And like I said, I will leave all the information in the description box down below. It is super simple and easy to get your supplies sent to you for free. So I hope more of you guys participate out there, and I will see you on my first DIY tutorial video. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.